So I'm sitting outside enjoying the nice warm day. I walk over to kick Sam because, well, you know, I'm abusive. And I walk in to visit my mom.
Who is catching up on her YouTube videos.
And she's eating birdseed. I mean, Jesus.
With salsa.
Oh, birdseed with
Much
salsa.
better with salsa.
Spicy birdseed. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Really?
It's quinoa. And it's kind of a semi-fail because it didn't get cooked all the way. So it's kind of crunchy. I'm starving, so I'm eating it.
Yeah, she's starving, so she's been raiding all the local bird feeders.
Yeah, really.
Sam?
It's no wonder the birds
You
gather
could share
around
some
us.
of your dog food. That's probably healthier for Mom.
Oh no, he doesn't share. He hasn't been sharing with Daddy.
Oh,
either.
God. Mick, was
take
it
it
bad
away
spending the night at
give-
Grandma's house?
Give him some food.
Did you
last
beat
night.
him proper? Because, you
I
know,
did.
okay, really?
You
I mean,
can tell, see?
yeah.
Yeah. He's so afraid of Grandma. Yeah, he had such a bad time at Grandma's house.
I figured as much.
We,
Oh, God.
we didn't do any snuggling or anything. No, it
Mick.
was horrible.
Mick,
He's like, I don't want to come home with you. I'm a grandma
Mick,
now. I live here now.
do you want to come back to your abusive household
I'm like, no,
tonight?
I live with Grandma now.
Beep, beep. Maybe we could bring your son over tonight and I could beat both of you.
Yeah, there you go.
Huh?
You go right
Maybe
there.
beat Sam with Mick and then beat Mick with Sam.
Mm-hmm. Sam, you want to go over to Chris's house and be traumatized all night long?
Yeah. Sam, how did Sam? Hi, Mick. Hi. How's it going, Mick? This dog is so abused. Hi, Mick. How's it going? What's that, Sam?
See my birdseed again? My delicious birdseed? Actually, it could be better.
What is wrong with you?
Well, van life.
Yeah. Eating birdseed on the road. Hashtag full-time van life.
Yeah. Become a van dweller and eat birdseed.
Yeah.
It's great. Now I've been craving protein and it's quinoa.
You know, there's
Supposed
another
to
thing
have
that has a lot of protein in it. Oh, what's that stuff called? Oh, yeah, meat.
Yeah, I know. We had meat last night. It was very delicious.
Yeah, we had burgers, but...
Oh my god. But yeah.
And this dog is severely abused, too.
Cheers.
Yeah, poor bird. Poor little dog. Oh, my god.
Good birdseed.
See you do a hair lip. Just don't fight it. Sam, you could be a mean dog. Oh my god, you guys are just so bad dogs. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys what my mom was eating and delicious birdseed and salsa, I guess.
Good.
Big thumbs up for this video. My mom eating birdseed.
Well, actually, it's okay. Oh, dang flies. Get out of there. Flies are ridiculous. The dogs have been doing their best to eat them all, but they're failing.
Yeah, I use those fly trap sticky tape things.
My van is too short to have those. We'd all be stuck to them.
No, you put them in the back behind the wall.
Yeah, but the flies don't go back there. They
How do you know? Do you have a camera back there?
Actually, somebody, my buddy Butterfly Express, Kathy, uses
Link in the description below.
uses dryer sheets to keep the bugs out. And I've been searching frantically this morning because I do have dryer sheets.
Oh yeah,
but
I
you
have
know
dryer
what?
sheets too.
I can't find them anywhere. So as soon as we find dryer sheets, I'm going to stick them all over the place. See if that helps. Can't hurt. Can't draw, well, maybe it could draw more in, but
Big
my
thumbs
lucky
up.
would.
Big thumbs up for dryer sheets and birdseed.
Okay.
All right, I'll talk to you guys later.